We all have our little piece of the planet. Some big, some not so big. But it's ours. We take care of it, give it a little personality, and take great pride in keeping it clean. That's where CLR comes in. It's effective on grime and buildup because it dissolves calcium, lime, and rust using ingredients for safer chemistry. It even carries the EPA's Safer Choice seal. CLR makes coffee pots sparkle, or a quarter cup in the dishwasher to keep it running smoothly. CLR makes easy work of tough jobs, from clearing out a clogged shower head to getting rid of stubborn rust on tools. Wherever you find calcium, lime, and rust stains, let CLR do the hard work. Just loosen and rinse. When you want your little piece of the planet looking its best, trust CLR and the whole family of CLR products, making the world a little cleaner. Visit us on Facebook and Twitter or get more information at clrbrands.com.